Hey, this is Dean Hawe with Renegade Media, and I want to give a great big shout out to PB Digital and Pritam for developing an awesome landing page and funnel for our business. I've been really looking at a vendor who might be able to really take our business to the next level, and Pritam has totally knocked it out of the park. So if you haven't had the opportunity to work with him yet, I highly encourage you to reach out to him. You can find him in pretty much all the uh, marketing channels like ClickFunnels or GoHighLevel, and just reach out to him and have him put together a plan to develop either your landing page or your sales funnel. And I promise you that Pritam and PB Digital is going to knock it out of the park. So I can't say any more about his quality of work. And on top of that, he gets back to you really quickly. He comes up with a really solid plan, and I'm just totally in awe with the look and feel of our new funnel that he recently collected. So again, my name is Dean with Renegade Media. Great big shout out to Pittman and his team. I really appreciate all the work you have done for us. Thanks again. Have a great day.